Hey honeys, welcome to my channel. My name is Miesha and today I'm going to be installing a wig. This wig is from Unice hair and it's a Brazilian straight with a 13x6 lace. It does come with adjustable straps in the back so that you can make it fit to your head. Prior to me recording this video, I did customize the wig off camera. So I went ahead and bleached the knots and I plucked the front of this frontal. First, I'm going to start off by parting off the ear tabs and we're going to cut those sections off. I've never did this before. Y'all, it was so hard. Like, people make this look so easy, but really, honestly and truly, it is not. It takes work and technique to cut these off properly. I still don't think that I got it down, but oh well. So today I'm going to be attempting to do something that I've never done before, and I'm going to install this full wig using only GOT2B glue free spray. So I'm not going to install this wig with no glue, no gel, only hairspray. Hopefully it works out. It's really going to be something to watch. But the blow dryer that I'm using, it came from Walmart. It's nothing special. And this is the hairspray that we're going to use to install the wig. Y'all, I just popped right into it and I didn't know what I was doing. Y'all see, I like sprayed it. That was my first mistake right there. I sprayed the freeze spray like on the hair instead of like focusing more on the hairline, and it made it so hard to like comb out the hair. I was getting all of this white residue, and y'all, don't do that because I was literally just spraying this stuff everywhere. It was just running all down my face. So just be cautious if you do decide to do this. Don't use as much free spray as I did, and I think that this will go so much better. Basically, I'm spraying the free spray along my hairline and then going in with the blow dryer to set everything in place and make sure that everything is dry. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome sis. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified once I upload new videos. Also, comment down below and let us know that you're here, sis. What do you want to see next? And leave some video ideas. So I tried to go in and like comb out all of the freeze spray that I have just sprayed all over my hairline, and then I went in with a rag with some water trying to like remove all of the residue. So y'all, just do not go ham with the freeze spray and I promise you won't have that problem. I'm just showing y'all where it ran all down my face and my neck, and like I have got it on unnecessary lace, so it was like hard for me to pick up. My skin ended up being red after I finished this wig. So yeah, I don't know next time not to use all of that free spray and just focus it on my hairline. So I did cut the lace into sections so that it can be easier to work with while I'm cutting it off. And I did use a razor to cut off that excess lace, and I'm going like in a zigzag motion, and I'm kind of like pulling the lace up so that I can get all of that lace off that I like glued down to my forehead. Y'all, no lie, I was getting really discouraged. I'm like, this is an epic fail at this point. It's white, my lace is white. Like, what is going on, sis? Like, what did I do wrong? Y'all, I was just ready to give up at this point, but we still got some work to do. We're gonna do a little tweaking to their hairline. We're gonna go in and spray some more free spray and then use the back of the comb to like lay everything down. Y'all, you do not have to use all of their free spray. I was just going ham. I was trying to make this look as seamless as possible, but going back in with their free spray in the back of the comb made this look so much better. So finally, I'm going in with some Sea Breeze, and I'm just going to wipe all of that excess freeze spray off of my face because it was like getting really sticky and caked up. So I just went in and wiped off all of that, and try not to get too close to the hairline so you don't pull the lace up. So to melt this lace down furthermore into the skin, I'm going to use an elastic band, and I'm just going to tie that around the edges, and then we're just going to work on the rest of the hair while that's setting in place. So I'm taking some hair oil and I'm just putting it all throughout the hair. Now I'm going to be one curling this hair just to put like some beach waves and some loose curls into it, just to make it really pretty. But for the frontal portion and to make everything lay nice and flat, I'm going in with this electrical hot comb. I got this from my local beauty supply store, and we're just going to hot comb all of that down where we want our part at and make sure that everything is nice and flat. So I'm going in section by section, and I'm using the wand and I'm wrapping the hair around it just to form the curl. Now I'm not going to let the curl fall. I am going to like pin it in place just so that everything can sit. Y'all, this hair is so soft, and it did hold a curl really good. I will leave all of the information to purchasing this hair down below in the description box. I also have a coupon code so you can get a discount when you shop with them, so make sure you guys check that out. So we're going to go ahead and start taking down those pin curls. Now, even though I wand curled this hair and I want it to be wavy, I did pin curl it because this is some long straight hair, and usually with straight hair your curls tend to fall faster. So just to keep those curls in a little bit longer, that's why I pinned them up. If you guys are liking this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below with your thoughts. So it's time to take the elastic band off, and woo, yes ma'am. I was like so impressed because I thought it was gonna be horrible under there. But that elastic band, baby, it did its job. You can still see it's a little bit light. Now I could have easily just went in with some makeup and just fixed that. What do you guys think? Would y'all just did this without any baby hairs and just left the hairline as it is? Or you just would have went the extra step and do baby hairs like me? Let me know. So I use this band to make it easier for me to form my baby hairs so no unnecessary hairs will get in the way. And I use some Eco Styler gel to form the baby hairs. And like, you want to be very, have a light hand when you do this so that you don't pull your lace up in the process. That completes this video of me installing this wig using only freeze spray. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like this video if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Don't forget to leave a comment down below. Also, follow me on my social media. Thanks for watching. I love you guys. Bye.